Alright, everybody, welcome back. Happy Christmas Eve. We have almost made it all the way through these 25 days of Christmas. It's a very daunting task. If anybody out there does these, it's very daunting. But we're having so much fun with it, and we thank you all out there in the community for watching the videos, commenting, liking, subscribing, everything. Remember, you can win all of these items. It'll be one giveaway per video. We're going to do 25 giveaways on December 30th, 8 p.m. Central Time here on YouTube. So today, guys, we have a really cool piece that, honestly, I've not seen anybody making. So when I had the opportunity to make this, I thought, we got to do it. It's a very interesting piece, a very cool piece. It goes along with collecting for sure. So, we collect Funko Pops, Funko Sodas, Pokemon cards, everything. We collect. I collect dust bunnies if there was a profit in it, probably, you know. But today, guys, we are going to be making a slider Funko Pop box, and we'll show you what that looks like here. So basically, you have your Funko Pop front of your box. Let me zoom in a little bit here. This will be the back. This will be the front. This will be your little spacer. This will go on top of the box just to cover it up a little bit. And then this piece will actually slide out. So Pikachu will slide out of the box. So you'll have your box, and then you take the piece out. Super cool. We do have a couple other files to do in this as well. Personally, I'm going to make myself one for our collection. And I cannot wait to show you all what that is. So this is going to take approximately 14 minutes and 48 seconds is what it says to cut. Again, we will not sit here for 15 minutes. We'll fast forward through it. But we do have the finished version at the end. We're going to cut it today. We've already made one, painted it, glued it together. Not the best paint job, but I'm not the best painter either. I'm getting better. But the one that we already have painted, you guys can win on the 30th of December. All you gotta do is comment down below. So, again, it's gonna take about 14 minutes to cut this. Let's make sure that Luthor is ready. Hopefully he is. He's been having a good day. He got a couple Christmas presents today, so he's a little bit looser. So, hopefully that will make him happy. So let's go ahead and get this started, guys. Enjoy, and we'll see you in a few minutes. is done. Let's see if it pops out like it should. Open. Look, the back did, that's for sure. Let's see if our middle piece will. And most importantly, our slider Pikachu here. Yeah, we're just breaking off, I guess. Yeah, there we go. This one, I set the file up wrong, so it cut it out. We really don't want to cut the cheeks out, but this one it did. Unfortunately, on the one that we already have done, it did not do that, and it looks much better. So stay tuned for that. Let's see if I can get the rest of this out of here. Jeez. Still dealing with that inferior plywood that we bought off of Amazon. I think this is like, we got like 3 sheets left, thank goodness, and then it's gone. So it goes together like this. So you have your back, your middle piece basically is just your spacer. Will be glued just like that. Your front piece will go on the front, and then you could paint and or put marker on there, crayon, a colored pencil, whatever you wanted to. It's wood. Just like that. Your little Pikachu. We got a hanger. We got a hanger. Pikachu's got a hangnail. There we go. You know, smarter, not harder. Goes right there. Like that. And then old little Pikachu, he will slide. Maybe. Right in there, just like that. And again, these wouldn't be cut out, but they are on that one. And 1, 2, 3. There's the painted one, guys. He looks super cool. I'm not the best painter, so it's not all that great, but we're getting better. And we actually ordered some acrylic paint markers. This was with brush, so it doesn't look the greatest. But we did get some acrylic paint markers, which are much better. Then, of course, Pikachu comes out. So you can card up or your box, and then he'll stand right there next to it. So I think it's super cool. And you guys can win this again. Just comment down below. And don't forget, tomorrow, guys, day 25, Christmas Day. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Christmas. Make sure to watch that video for your chance to win that item. And all entries close December 30th at 6 p.m. Central Time. We'll go live at 8 p.m. Central Time on the 30th to give all 25 items away. Guys, thanks. And again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you later. Bye.